Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the twisted rib stitch pattern. This pattern is super stretchy and it gives it texture. So you're going to need to know how to knit in the back loop, purl in the back loop, and how to cast on. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that more in depth. So to get started, you are going to cast on any odd number of stitches. And in the first stitch, we are going to knit in the back loop. So normally when you knit, you go through the front and poke your needle into the back like so. But for this, what we're going to do is just insert into the back loop, just like that. So that's knitting through the front loop, and that's knitting through the back loop. Like so. So you start off by row 1 by knitting in the back loop, and then the repeat all the way to the end of the row will be purling 1 and knitting in the back loop. So we purl like normal. And then we will knit in the back loop. Like so. And then purl like normal. And you'll repeat this until you get to the end of your work. And what this ends up doing when you knit in the back loop, it twists that loop. So it ends up giving your work that textured look. All right, so here we are finishing row 1. Now the repeat for this pattern is row 1 and 2, so not too bad. So we're going to turn our work and we're going to start off by purling in the back loop. So to purl in the back loop, you are going to obviously insert your needle into the back loop. So you have, this is how you normally purl, through the front loop. So to purl through the back loop, you are going to stick your needle through the back and twist it forward and then purl. So the repeat for this row is going to be knit 1 and then purl through the back loop. So you see how I'm struggling. Popping up through the back and twisting my needle forward. And then purling. So it's a knit normally. And then it's a purl through the back loop. So you come up through the back and twist forward. There you go, like so. And again, if you need help with these stitches, just check down in the description below. I have a more in-depth video on how to knit and purl in the back loop. And with this one, we finish off our repeats. And that's it. That is how you do the twisted rib stitch pattern. It's a lot of fun once you get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.